Welcome to the San Diego Mesa College online library tutorials. Getting started with NoodleBib. In order to use our NoodleBib software to create your bibliography or cite sources section of your paper, you need to come here to the library's home page and go to the black tab that says Cite Sources. Click there, then go to the link that says NoodleBib Citation Creator Mesa Users Only. Click there. You'll get this page that says Register or Sign In. You'll notice this green box that lets you know that you have been automatically authenticated into the San Diego Mesa College subscription. This is a subscription that we've paid for, and you can only get to this page if you go through the library's website. You can either create your personal ID or you can sign in with what you've already created. If this is the first time you've come to NoodleBib, you want to click here, Create a Personal ID. Click on the type of user that you are. If you're a student, let them know when you plan to graduate. Give yourself a name. Give yourself a password. Retype the password. And scroll down to where it requests initials and the last 4 digits of your phone number. This is in case you have trouble with your password to help them retrieve it for you. Then click Register. As long as there's no trouble with your personal ID or password, you'll go on to the next screen. Your first screen should look like this. At the top, it'll say Welcome and your personal ID name. It'll show you what projects you have. Currently you have none because you're a new student to this software, so you want to click here, Create a New Project. Once you've clicked here, you need to decide what kind of citation style you'll be using. We'll be using MLA, APA, or Chicago Turabian. Here at Mesa College, we tend to use MLA and APA the most. We recommend that you click on the Advanced version to create your bibliography. I'm going to click on MLA and the Advanced button. Then I need to come down and give my paper a description. Then click Create Project. This will bring you to your home screen. There are many things you can do with your home screen, but if you're simply interested in creating a bibliography, you want to come down here to where it says Works Cited. It tells me that I am using MLA Advanced, and so far I have no entries. So I click on Works Cited, and it asks me on the top left if I want to create a citation. You need to use the drop-down menu to decide what it is that you are creating. I'm going to use a book. I click Create Citation, and it wants to make sure that I know what I'm talking about. In the Show Me box, you can click on the arrow and get explanation regarding different kinds of books and how to use them in scholarly research. Beneath that box, there is a section called Source Check. This is where the system is checking what kind of books you may be looking at. If your book falls into one of those categories, you should click on the hyperlink for that item. In this case, I do mean book, so I will click Continue. The next page is where I fill out my information. Note the tabs on the top. The system automatically took me to the Print Book section. If this was an e-book, I would click on that tab. From here, I simply fill out the form with all the information the system asks for. Note that as soon as you click in a box, the system opens up a help window that explains what should go in that section. If you're interested in seeing just where the information you are inputting will go in your finished MLA citation, you can click the MLA Guide link at the top right. As you fill out the form, it will highlight where that information goes on a properly cited MLA reference. When you are finished, click the Submit button at the top of the page, which will take you back to this page, which will note all the items that you have submitted in alphabetical order by the author's last name. If you would like to print or export your item, you can simply click up here to print export. I'll choose Word. I'm going to simply open the file, and the system will automatically open up a Works Cited page for me. Note that it is in alphabetical order, double-spaced, with the second line indented. And that's getting started with NoodleBib.